Hello, my wonderful friends. Welcome to English Learning Channel. First of all, Happy New Year to you. I hope 2026 brings you happiness, success, and progress. Today, this video will help you in two special ways. Number 1, you will learn how to change your life. Number 2, you will improve your English. So get ready. Let's start this journey together. Step 1. Let go of your past. Listen carefully. This is very important. You cannot build a new life with old thinking. Let me tell you a story about my student, Priya. Priya lived in Mumbai. She wanted to learn English, but every day she said, "I can't speak English well. I always make mistakes. I'm not good enough." She carried these negative thoughts like a heavy bag. One day I asked her, "Priya, do you want to change?" She said, "Yes." I told her, "Then drop that heavy bag. Your past doesn't define your future." So what did Priya do? Action 1. She wrote a goodbye letter. She wrote, "Dear old me, thank you for trying, but now I am becoming someone new, someone who learns and grows." Try this after this video. Write your own goodbye letter. Action 2. She changed her words. She stopped saying, "I can't speak English." She started saying, "I'm learning English every day." Remember this important rule. Your brain believes what you tell it. So right now, say these words out loud. I am learning, I am improving, I can do this. Good job. You just took your first step. Step 2. Change your mindset. Now let me tell you about Raj from Delhi. Raj wanted to learn English, but he always thought, "What if I make a mistake? People will laugh at me." These thoughts stopped him from practicing. One day I taught him something powerful. Change your questions. Bad question: why is my English so bad? Good question: what can I practice today? Bad question: what if I fail? Good question: what if I succeed? After changing his questions, Raj changed his life. He started watching one English video every day. He practiced speaking one sentence every morning. In 6 months, his confidence grew. Now he speaks English at work. So every morning, say this to yourself. Today I will learn something new. Today I will practice. Step 3. Learn English, your most useful skill. My friends, let me be honest. English is power in today's world. Why? Because better jobs need English. More opportunities come with English.
But here's good news. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Let me tell you about Lakshmi from Chennai. Lakshmi was a housewife. She never went to English school. But she had a dream: to help her children with homework. So she started simple. 15 minutes of practice daily. She watched English Learning Channel. She learned 5 new words every day. She spoke to herself in English while cooking. After 1 year, she could speak with confidence. Now, here's your 90-day plan. Week 1 through 4. Watch one video on our channel daily. Learn 5 new words. Write them in a notebook. Week 5 through 8. Start speaking. Repeat everything you hear. Talk to yourself in English. Don't worry about mistakes. Week 9 through 12. Practice more every day. Important rule. Learn one word at a time. One sentence at a time. One day at a time. Step 4. Be consistent. Never give up. Do you know the secret of success? It's not talent or luck. It's consistency. Let me tell you about Maya from Jaipur. January 1st, 2025. Maya started with big excitement. She studied 3 hours on day 1, 3 hours on day 2. Then she stopped. Why? Because she did too much too soon. Now let me tell you about Arjun from Hyderabad. Arjun studied only 15 minutes every single day. By December 31st, 2025, he completed 365 days of practice. He learned thousands of words. He spoke with confidence. The magic formula is small action plus every day equals big success. 15 minutes times 365 days equals 91 hours of practice. 1 year of consistency is more powerful than 1 month of intensity. So, choose one habit today. Option 1. Watch one video daily from English Learning Channel. Option 2. Learn 5 new words daily. Option 3. Speak English for 5 minutes daily. Just one habit, that's all. Track your progress. Mark an X on your calendar. Day 1. Check. You did it. Day 2. Check. Again. Day 3. Check. Keep going. What if you miss a day? That's okay. Life happens. Don't say, I failed, I'll quit. Say, I missed 1 day, I'll start again today.
Remember, 1 bad day doesn't erase 10 good days. Consistency is your superpower. Step 5. Start small. 1 tiny step. Many people fail because they start too big. They say, I'll study 5 hours daily. That's too much. Then they feel overwhelmed. Then they quit. Think about climbing a mountain. Do you jump to the top? No. You take 1 step, then another, then another. Let me tell you about Kavita from Ahmedabad. Kavita felt scared. She thought, English is too difficult. I told her, just learn 1 word today. That's all. Day 1, she learned happy. I am happy. Day 2, she learned friend. You are my friend. After 30 days, she knew 30 words. After 90 days, she could have simple conversations. After 1 year, she was confident. How? 1 tiny step at a time. Remember, you don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. 1 word is better than no words. 1 sentence is better than silence. Step 6. Trust the process. Sometimes you will feel discouraged. You'll think, I'm practicing every day, but I'm not improving. In those moments, remember, growth is invisible at first. Let me tell you about the Chinese bamboo tree. Year 1, you water it. No growth. Year 2, you water it. No growth. Year 3, still nothing. Year 4, still nothing. Year 5, suddenly it grows 80 feet in 6 weeks. Was it the water in year 5? No, it was all the water from all 5 years. For 4 years, the tree was growing roots underground. You couldn't see it, but it was happening. Your English learning is the same. Let me tell you about Rohan from Lucknow. Rohan practiced English for 3 months. He felt frustrated. He said, "I'm not improving." I asked him, "Can you understand more English now?" He said, "Yes." "Can you speak more words?" "Yes." "Do you feel less scared?" "Yes." "Then you are improving." Rohan continued practicing. By month 6, his English bloomed. He could speak confidently. He got promoted at work. Every word you learn is a seed. Every video you watch is water. Every sentence you practice is sunlight. Your English tree will grow. Just be patient. My dear friends of English Learning Channel family, 2026 is your year, not because it will be easy, but because you decided, "I will not give up." Repeat after me. I will learn English one step at a time. I will practice every day, even if just 10 minutes. I will be patient with myself. I will celebrate my small wins. I will never, ever give up. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. Subscribe to English Learning Channel if you haven't already. Click the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Leave a comment. What is your English goal for 2026? Share this video with someone who wants to improve. Every person who learned English was once where you are now. Scared, unsure, making mistakes. But they kept going, and so will you. See you in the next video. This is English Learning Channel, and I believe in you. Happy learning.